Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you make a glass material in Blender 2.93. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to delete the cube. So I'm going to press the cube and delete it. Then I'm going to add a plane. Rotate it in the X about slightly like this, and drag it in the Z. Then what I'm gonna do is there are two ways. I can use extrude tool, or I'm gonna solidify this, and increase the thickness. The effect will be like this, as you can see from this. Yeah, so apply the solidify modifier and add another plane for the look, and scale it up. And to turn this into a glass material, we need to change in the material properties. In the material properties, we give it transmission. If you are using AV, you need to turn on subsurface translucent and go to ambient, bloom, and screen space refraction, and turn on refraction. And if you want to add transmission roughness, you can increase this. And if you want to create perfectly glass material, you can decrease the roughness. So that's it, how you can make a glass material in Blender. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.